everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Much love and gratitude to Alex. JP and James, says Lizzie. A few webinars ago, you stated that the A's have come back to right a wrong. Could you please elaborate on the details?
Okay, well, I said that 35 years ago, or 33 years ago. I was just reiterating that particular point. The sixth opportunity for Earth to ascend, for humanity to ascend, was thwarted. It was sabotaged. So it did not happen. And the ramifications of that failed ascension apparently caused a great deal of problems amongst many star nations here in our galaxy, because the soul groups that were captured here affected those civilizations, and there were many, because members of their own were trapped here. Now, this ascension process is happening on other dimensional realms as well. So how could some of these other star nations ascend themselves when a significant group of their own souls are trapped here? They can't move because part of their own are here. Where we go one, we go all. So they had to come back and fix this. They had to offer assistance. They had to give their own an opportunity to ascend, to leave, or to whatever it is that their mission was. You see, when you look at the deep state, when you look at any regressive life form, what they want is power. They want power, and it's usually power over. And that's what they had. They've had power over. They had a way to control and manipulate other star nations and other realms by controlling those soul groups that were captured here. That was unacceptable. That was unacceptable, especially who these beings were, these regressives were. They have caused so much pain. They have wreaked so much havoc. They have wreaked so much havoc everywhere they've been. Since time immemorial. And they had to go. They had to go. This had to end. And when they came back here, they realized the severity of the problem. And it's akin to, now the question that has always come up since I started to talk, and I know this has come up with other speakers as well. Well, how did they not know? Well, if you're looking forward, if your entire focus is looking forward, if you're moving in a direction that's forward, you're not looking behind you. So you don't see what's going on until your attention is drawn to it. It's how consciousness works until you reach a specific level. And then your conscious purview, your visional conscious purview becomes 360. Well, whatever changes are going on in fifth density, okay, and I cannot state that I know all of it, but whatever consciousness changes that are occurring on fifth, they've moved into a 360 purview. They now see everything. And when that happened, it took them right back to our solar system, which has been an issue for quite some time. But it became the issue at some point, which is why they've come back in time to fix this and fix it now. Not later, but now. They're fixing it now. It'll be really fun and interesting to have them explain that at some point to everyone. Why it was now, specifically. But it is now. That's why everything's coming down now. That's why everything is shifting now. I tried to explain last week or 2 weeks ago that every place has a failure point, a specific place where if you hit it at just the right amount, just the right time, you can take down your opponent, where his entire structure of narcissism and everything that they've created about them collapses. Well, that time for the Galactics is obviously right now. Because what did they do? Whatever they did, and this is multiple star nations that were involved in this, it not only freed the planet from the reptilians and the Orion group and the Greys at all, but it also took down the Orion Empire. It also took down the Orion AI system. It's also freed a significant group of other solar systems from the grasp of the Orion group as well. So this move that they made brought it all down. It brought the actual collapse of the Orion group empire, which has been around for hundreds of thousands of years. The whole thing just collapsed. Because it's now. Now, what all the particulars are on that, I'm sure someone in the Alliance knows. Maybe someone in Solar Warden or several groups in Solar Warden know. But that information has not reached us on the surface. But it's now. It's all happening now. So that's the best I can tell you.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.